American golf is typically golf through the air. You're always carrying over something. You're carrying over a water hazard. You're carrying over a bunker. You're flying the ball onto the green. I mean, this in-the-air experience. Whereas golf, when it was invented, where it was invented, was played as much on the ground as it was in the air. You had to carry it a certain distance. The grass is firm, it's really fast, the ball rolls a lot, and the idea of golf being played on the ground was a big part of the strategy of play. And that really is an inspiration in our design. We want to make sure when a ball is hit offline and it's rolling somewhere, there's a place for it to roll to where you can still play. Otherwise you're spending all day looking for golf balls, that's no fun. The idea of the ball rolling is a big part of the strategy of Chambers Creek. There's a lot of shapes out here. There's a lot of side slopes. There's uphill, there's downhill. Greens that are very receptive, for a ball to roll up into it. But you have to hit the right line to get the right result, But you can roll the ball, you can play it on the ground if you want to. Avid golfers, the real enthusiasts, the diehards, they sometimes look at 9 holes and they go, why 9 holes? That's not really a real golf course. Well, it is a real golf course. And I would always go back to the fact that there were so many great courses started as 9 holes or 12 holes. They weren't gimmicks. They were 9 really good holes usually, very challenging holes, and the town will be proud of their 9-hole experience. That's what we're looking for, is a 9-hole golf experience. The 9 holes that we have are championship level golf courses. They're high octane. They're not just afterthoughts. They were very intentional. But you could always add 9 more on later. One day some holes can play as par 4s, the next day can be a par 5. You can even shorten the limit of the par 4s and make it a par 3. So there is really no set card, quite frankly, because you can move the tees around, so much and create something different nearly every day.